Hi everyone. So this is today's dictation. Please make sure, guys, you've got the word dictation at the top there and the date. And please forgive my voice. I haven't been well this week, so my voice is really shaky. That's okay. We will push through. So dictation, the 21st of August, 2020. And while I'm doing dictation, I thought you might like to look at these lovely flowers. Okay, the first sentence is pigs live on a farm. So pigs live on a farm. 5 words. We'll break it down. Please remember your capital letters at the start and your full stop at the end and one finger space. We don't need two, we need one finger space. First 2 words, pigs live. Pigs live on a farm. Second sentence, so underneath that you write number 2. My glass is empty. 4 words. My glass is empty. So take 2 words. My glass is empty. Now empty, you had a couple of weeks ago. If you did that, it's empty. And the last sentence, number 3, it is good to be kind. So that's actually 6 words. It is good to be kind. So let's take the first 3 words. It is good. To be kind. I'm going to go through them again. Please remember your capital letters and full stops. If you need to make any changes, put a line through it and write the word above or below, but do not rub out. Okay, so the first sentence was pigs live on a farm. Farm. Second sentence, my glass is empty. Third one, it is good to be kind. Okay, so you check for mistakes, you fix it up, and you upload it to Seesaw for me. I will do another one about the spelling test.